Summer, summer. Kids run along the beach.
Kids run along the beach.
We collect beautiful seashells.
We collect beautiful seashells.
I enjoy eating ice cream.
I enjoy eating ice cream.
Autumn,
Autumn, autumn.
birds migrate to warmer places.
Birds migrate to warmer places.
Squirrels store nuts for winter.
Squirrels store nuts for winter.
The farmer plows the land.
The farmer plows the land.
Winter,
Winter.
kids build a snowman.
Kids build a snowman.
We play and skate on the ice.
We play and skate on the ice.
It's very cold outside.
It's very cold outside.
We drink hot chocolate.
We drink hot chocolate.
Spring,
Spring.
the sky is blue, and the sun is gentle.
The sky is blue, and the sun is gentle.
Birds sing in the morning.
Birds sing in the morning.
Flowers are blooming everywhere.
Flowers are blooming everywhere.
Kids play among the green grass.
Kids play among the green grass.
Butterflies fly over the flowers.
Butterflies fly over the flowers.
We plant tiny seeds in the garden.
We plant tiny seeds in the garden.
Ducklings swim behind their mother in the pond.
Ducklings swim behind their mother in the pond.
The little goats play in the green meadows.
The little goats play in the green meadows.
Bees fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar.
Bees fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar.